How to use Perplexity AI for real-time information retrieval. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. Go to the website perplexity.ai. You can log in or sign up to your account, but you can use this AI without even doing that. Once you reach this interface, you can search for any real-time information that you want to know. Unlike many tools that rely only on pre-trained data, Perplexity connects directly to the internet. This means it can fetch the latest news, updates, stock prices, sport results, and more in real time with sources linked. For example, I want to know the current price of Bitcoin. So for that, I have written what is the current price of Bitcoin. And as you can see, it accurately depicts the data. You can even use other sections like images and sources to confirm the price. Not only this, but you can use this for other real-time information. You can use this with specific time-based keywords such as today, latest, September 2025, and many more. If you need numbers or live data, for example, stocks, crypto, sports, then you can ask directly. For breaking news, refresh or re-ask after a while as new articles roll in. So that's all for today. Thank you.